Right, so we are in step 31 of our free code camp, responsive web design. Learn HTML by building a cat photo app. After the last image element, add a feed caption element with the text, "Cats hate other cats." So after the image element, not the figure. So this is where we're gonna add it. Gonna open feed caption. And we're going to copy this "cats hate other cats." Copy and paste here. Then we're gonna open and close our feed caption. All right, so now let's check if it's correct. All right, so submit and go to the next challenge. Thank you all for watching and see you in step 31.